So, hello, Assalamualaikum sir. My name is Muhammad Fakhru Azam bin Syafin Nizam. I'm from DME43 Delta. My alam ID is 019094. And today I'm going to be doing the 3D modeling about knuckle joint. So, hi sir. For the first thing first, we're gonna do the high end part. So first, we choose the front plane, and then sketch. We're gonna have to draw two circles, one and then two. So smart dimension, this one have to be 100, and this one have to be 50. So right after that, we're gonna draw center line here up until here, and then select. Then choose the rectangle and we draw it here. It doesn't matter how big it is because we're gonna use the smart dimension either way. Okay, smart dimension. This one 140. And this one 60. After that, we choose this three line and make it symmetric. Then we trim the entities here and choose sketch fillet. Make it 50 here, and then we choose this part and this part, this one and this one. Okay. After that, we can we can use the extruded boss by using it to 60 mm. Enter. And when we choose this part and sketch it, we're gonna draw a circle here, smart dimension again, 50 here. Then we're gonna sorry, we're gonna choose this center and this center, 30. And then we have to use control, this dot and this dot, make it horizontal. After that, we're gonna use this line to draw a rectangle here. Okay, so smart dimension 18.06. This one too, 18.06. Right after that, we're gonna choose this part, but make it circular sketch pattern. So the entities to pattern is, we're gonna choose this three line, 1, 2, 3, and then this part we're gonna clear the sections and choose it to be here. Okay, then right after that, I'm gonna extrude cut. I'm gonna extrude cut by 60. Sorry, the 60. Oh, my bad. I'm gonna choose the section. extrude cut. So we're gonna choose the section here, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna not choose the circle because that one we have to extrude the boss, not cut. So as I said before, we're gonna use it to, we're gonna cut it until 60 mm and then right. So there's the missing part here. Let's sketch again the circle. But first, I'll do the circle here. Just like we did before, this one have to be 50. And then the dots from here to here, 30. And then make it horizontal. Okay. Right after that, we're gonna extrude the boss. I'm gonna extrude that boss 120.5. Yeah. And then where is it? Okay, here. So right after that, we're gonna choose this part, this face, and then to be fillet here. So it seems like we're gonna have to do it one by one. Okay, so here it is, the first part. I'm gonna choose metal. Since I love black, I'm gonna choose black iron. Maybe I'm choose raw iron. Yep. So here it is, the first part. So once you have done with the sketch, now this is the drawing. So as for it, you have to this one front view is, and this one is the rear view. So that you need to dimension it, and you're done. And you have to do the same thing for the other sketch. So for the second part is the fork end. So we have to choose the top plane here, and then we're gonna draw a rectangle here. Small dimension. This one would be 120. and this one will be 250. So there we extrude base by 100, and then we choose this part and sketch. We'll be draw a center line from the top to the bottom and then select. After that, we're going to draw a circle here. One and two circle is needed, but the other one is bigger. So smart dimension, this one will be 120 and the other one will be 60, and the gap between these two circles will be 4, and distance between this circle up to the top is 150. And then we'll be draw a line here to the circle and select, and then the gap here will be using small dimension, and gap here to here is 30. And then we're gonna mirror these entities, and about is the center line. So after that, we're gonna trim the entities here and draw a sketch fillet by 50. This part too. So next, we're gonna draw a line here from this circle to the bottom, and then select, mirror the entities, this entity, and the mirror about is here. And then trim the entities. So right after that, I'm gonna extrude the cut. We don't need the T feature. I'm gonna cut it through all from this part and this part. Yep. So then choose this part and sketch it. We'll be drawing a circle here. I'm gonna choose this circle, this line, and make it tangent. The same with these two other part. Make it tangent. Yep. And then we'll be drawing another circle here with 50 dimension. Then we draw a center line from middle to this part and select. We draw a rectangle here up until the end, and right, and then we have to select these three lines and make it symmetric. The height will be 60 here, and then we trim the entities and will be sketch fillet from here. But first, I'm gonna choose 25 mm from this part to this part. And then right after that, we're gonna extrude cut. We're gonna extrude cut this part, but first we're gonna have to choose every single line here, and convert it to convert entities. And then we extrude cut. Extrude cut, we will be choosing these contours and the circle, and we're gonna cut through all. After that, we're gonna choose this part and sketch. We'll be using the center line from this corner to the top corner, then select. We'll be draw a circle here, with a 50 diameters. Next, I'm gonna choose this line and draw a triangle here. Smart dimension will be 18, oh so sorry, 17.4, and this one will be 17.42. Next, I'm gonna choose the circle sketch pattern. Entities to pattern is here, is the triangle. but the point, we will choose this point. So right click, left click, and then I'm gonna extrude cut. As for the extrude cut, we'll be cutting it by 60, and we will choose only the corner. And then we cut it. Okay. So I notice we miss our circle, so we have to draw it again. $50. Then we're gonna extrude boss with a length of 150.7. Left click. So here it is. But for that, we're gonna fillet this part just like we did from the part 1. Gonna do it one by one. Oh, but I forgot to change the fillet, make it 12. So here it is. Fillet all this part, all this right, all these 4 corners. And then there you go, part 2 for the knuckle joint. So here it is, the fork end. Step 4, but this time I'm gonna choose polish gold. And then save it. So for the third part, we're gonna make a knuckle pin for the knuckle joint. So first, we're gonna choose the front plane. We're gonna choose the front plane, and we'll be sketch a line here. Here, the horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal to the origin. In smart dimension, this one will be 25, this one will be 12, This one will be 35, and the whole length will be 157. And then we will be choose revolve base this axis, and then right, and then we choose the top plane and sketch, and I make a circle here with a diameter of 6, so smart dimension 6, and the distance from the circle to this end will be 130. Then when I choose the center and this center, I make it horizontal, so that we will measure the cut through all, and yeah, cut through all both. So then yeah, there you go. So done with the third part. I'm gonna choose polish gold again. And then we save it. So for the fourth part, we'll be doing the collar. So first, we choose the front plane and sketch, and draw two circles from here, 1 and 2. And then smart dimension, the big one will be 70, and the smaller one will be 50. And then we extrude base, empty, enter. And then we will choose the top plane and sketch, and then we draw a circle here with a diameter of 6, and again from this circle to the top will be 10. And then we choose the center here and here and make it vertical. So after that, we're gonna extrude cut. Extrude cut through all both and cut. So here is the. So as for the last part, we will do the pin. So first we're going to choose the top plane and sketch, and then we're going to draw a circle here with a diameter of 6. And then we'll extrude base 72. Then there you go for the last part. Okay, and then we save it. So for the last part, we will make an assembly drawing. So open assembly. And we choose this part here, and we will insert a component, this one, and then we're gonna make them this part and this part. We'll made it. Okay, and and this part with this part. Yep, easy. After that, we're gonna insert another component. So we will make here and here, make. Okay, then we'll move the component right there, and I will make this surface with this surface. Okay, so that's it, and then we will insert another component. Color here, and we'll make this part with this part. And then the hole here, and this hole, we made it, and then none. So after that, we will insert the final piece. And we will make it again here. We will make it here, and then there you go. There you go. Then new motion study and animation wizard. We'll rotate the model. Why is this? Yep, and finish. So here it is. Final product. But and yeah, just to make it like a little fine. So yeah, there you go. So yeah, just like this. Ta-da!